Hey, welcome to Fix-It. Today I will show you how to find Telegram user ID. Let's go. Your Telegram user ID is a unique identifier for your account that is important for various reasons. First of all, open up the Telegram app. Then tap on the Contacts button at the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the search bar at the top. Now, type in raw data bot. Tap search, then select this exact search result, raw data or bot, and then tap start. Now, it will send you this message, and you'll be able to see your Telegram user ID. Telegram user IDs are unique numerical identifiers assigned to each user on the platform. These IDs are not like phone numbers, which often have country codes and area codes indicating their geographic location. Thanks for choosing Fix-It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.